So we have allocated 2 billion shillings to the COVID emergency funds, and these are proceeds from corruption that were recovered by us. We had in various institutions that deal with issues of corruption money, but most of the money are not yet released to us because the cases are not complete, and therefore we could only give Kenya shillings 2 billion to the COVID emergency fund. And we hope, and of course we've gotten assurance from the CS and Treasury itself, that the money will be used for the purposes that it has been set aside for.
So we are seeing the product of the multi-agency team, and we believe that we shall be working hand in hand to support each other so that this war against corruption still continues and bear fruits to the public. We are happy that this 2 billion today is going to help the needy people who have been affected by this pandemic.
But you're also aware, as National Treasury, we are all working very hard to realign our budget by making funds available to mitigate against the adverse effects of the pandemic, not only the health sector, but also to the other social sector, by supporting the very vulnerable, the most affected within the society. So the gesture today will go a long way in complementing government effort by raising more resources. So thank you very much, and all the best.